Welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll be discussing about one of the biggest challenge business owner face in the e-commerce industry, which is cart abandonment. I'm Emmanuel Lukaude, and I'm excited to tell you that in this video, we'll be discussing the top 10 reasons why cart abandonment increase and ways to combat it. Do you know that 70% of people abandon carts before completing their purchase process? Why is this happening? Stick around, because in this video we're going to be handling and showing you the top reason why this happens. Yeah, get your pen and paper ready and let's dive in. The number one reason is hidden costs. Customers don't want to get into the checkout segment and they realize that there are so many costs that they were not aware of earlier. So you must ensure that customers are aware of the all the charges that they are going to pay for before getting to the checkout point, like the tax fee, the delivery fee, any other additional fee that they are going to be paying for must be clearly stated before getting to the checkout page, so that you will not have so much cart abandonment. Customers don't want surprises. All the prices they are going to pay for must be clearly stated. And for your shipping fee, since you know the range of the cost of shipping to different cities, different locations, you can integrate the shipping fee into the cost of the product. For example, if you are selling a product of say 45 USD, and the delivery fee is between say $7 to $15, you can decide to sell that particular product for $59 or $60 plus and give them free shipping. That way you have integrated the shipping fee into the product fee and you will not be at loss. Next reason is complicated checkout process. A lot of websites have so much unnecessary fields in the checkout page. Your checkout page must be simplified such that unnecessary steps and fields that you don't need should not be there. So you make your checkout page to be well simplified such that the customers can easily fill in their details, make payment, or drop or complete their purchase process. The next reason why there is increase in cart abandonment is distraction during checkout. The checkout page is not the page where you should be having pop-ups, distractions for customers that want to fill in their details. Fine, you want to make more sales, you want them to know about your upsells, your dance sale, and so many other things that you want to sell. But at that checkout page, what they are interested in is filling their details, and that is also your interest as the business owner. So after they have filled their details or make that purchase or left that stage, you can automate getting them to your upsell or your downsell, or get to know about your cross sell or any other products that you want to push to them. So your checkout page should not entail some unnecessary distraction, no pop-up. Let it be simplified. The fourth one is lack of trust. A lot of customers, when they land on your website, they don't get to see testimonials, they don't get to see reviews, they don't get to see what customers, people that have patronized you before, what are they saying about your business, what are they saying about your product. So you must ensure that you build trust on your website. So you must have reviews put on your website, have testimonials put on your website, even if there are customers that have complained about one thing or the other before and it got resolved. It's good that you are plain and you put it on your website. That will give them the opportunity to trust you the more. Another reason for cart abandonment is poor product description. You want to make customers to know about the product that they are buying. The main reason why you are getting customers or getting people to land on your website is because you want them to buy. And there is no way they will buy except they get to know about the details about the product. There are stories about what I order for and what I get, videos and pictures online. And no customer wants to experience this kind of trouble. So you must ensure that you have high quality videos, high quality images on your website. The description is detailed. Customers must be able to have all the necessary information they need about your product. You can take pictures of your product from different angles so that they will have an understanding, a information about what they expect to receive at the point of delivery. If they are not clear about what your product is all about, what does it solve, what does it help them with, you have a lot of cart abandonment. The next one is technical issues. This is one of the reasons why you must ensure that your website is hosted with a trusted and secured platform. In 2020, 2021, we had a challenge with several of our websites. There's an hosting company that we've been using for over a decade, and they had a problem. A set of hackers hacked into their servers, and several websites were shut down. For over 3 hours, orders were not dropping from advert that we were running. We started getting mails from the platform we are running adverts. They shutting down our advert account, restricting our advert account, banning our advert account because of the poor customer experience. So it was realized by the AI that customers were landing on our website and they were getting errors. That way, so many of our advert accounts were shut down. So if customers are on a website and there's a technical challenge, most likely they are not going to complete their purchase process. So you must ensure that oftentimes you check what is happening on your website, you confirm that everything is loading fine, and you host your website with reliable, trusted, and efficient hosting companies. The next one is lack of payment options. Different customers have their preferred payment options. So you must ensure that different payment options is made available on your website. Those who want to pay with their credit card, those who want to pay with PayPal, those who want to pay with one gateway or the other, depending on the country that you are targeting or the continent that you are selling to, you ensure that you have the payment gateway that will be welcomed by majority of the customers that will be interested in your product. The next reason is website security concerns. A lot of websites, once you land on the website, you see it up there that this website is not secured, and you want customers to be at peace when they are using their financial informations and personal informations on your website. There's no way they will have peace of mind doing that if your website is not secured. Your SSL certificate must be up to date. You must have valid SSL certificates. You must have security badges. You must have trust seals on your website to give them the assurance that their financial informations and personal informations that they are putting on your website is secure. That way, you have reduced cart abandonment. Another reason for cart abandonment is lack of follow-up. You must get to know that not everybody will buy from you the very first time they get to know about your product. A lot of people will abandon the cart, and there should be automated system whereby they are getting message from you stating that, oh, we realize that you are trying to make a purchase on our website, or you make payments. See, do you have a challenge or the other? Okay, if you are able to make complete this order within the next 1 to 2 hours, within the next 1 to 2 days, you'll be getting a 15% discount, and this coupon code expires in the next 24 hours. All of those, we make them to hear from you again, and you let them know more about the products such that they have better understanding, you build relationship, and you build trust with them. So you must follow up with abandoned cart, and you must follow up with people that opt into your mailing list. That way you have more completed purchase process. Another major reason behind cart abandonment is poor mobile experience. A lot of websites, they are desktop responsive, but they are not mobile responsive. They are disoriented, the videos are disoriented, images are disoriented, text are disoriented when people visit the website on mobile phones. And you must get to know that 70 to 90% of people that will be checking your website, they will be using their mobile. They will be checking it via their mobile phone. So your website must be mobile responsive. Oftentimes, you must ensure that you check out how is the website on mobile phone. Before you launch your website, you must ensure that it is both desktop responsive and mobile responsive, such that those who are visiting via their laptops, their tablets, or their mobile phones, they will get good customer experience. No issues, no glitches, no disorientation on the website. It looks very well, just like you have on the desktop. With all of this, you will be able to reduce cart abandonment to the barest minimum. I'm sure you've been able to see and discover the top 10 reasons behind cart abandonment, and how you can win your customers over from abandoning their carts to completing a purchase process. So what you need to do now is to check all of this reason and see which one is impacting your business.